Beginners should keep this tip handy. On narrow roads, when the front pillar angle allows you to see the headlights of an oncoming car, and the headlights appear higher than the pillar angle, the left side can safely pass. No need to worry about scraping. Just align the far left side of the steering wheel with the edge of the road. At this point, the left wheel is exactly on the road edge. After that, you can simply let the left edge of the steering wheel sweep along the road edge as you move forward, making it easy to hold position. Parking on the right side is similar. When the right side of the steering wheel lines up with the road side, the right wheel will also be right on the road edge. So when parking on the right, just use the right side of the steering wheel as a reference. Also, when the middle joint of the wiper lines up with the roadside line, the car is about 50 centimeters away from the edge. If beginners often feel the car drifts, just keep the wiper joint along the road line. The car will neither run off track nor press on the line. This is especially practical. For example, on a narrow road, if there's a pedestrian ahead on the right, make sure the wiper joint does not pass the pedestrian's footsteps. At that point, the car is about 50 centimeters away from the person, allowing safe passage. If there's a pedestrian on the left front side, just use the left pillar angle as a reference. When the person's step aligns with the pillar angle, the distance is also about 50 centimeters, equally safe.